Hi everyone, Deb here. By the time you're seeing this, it should be November 30th, which is the last Wednesday in November. And I'll be airing this after Softflex does their reveal of the NUTCRACKER Mystery Design Kit. I received this actually on October 31st, and I did an unboxing of some other items I bought along with this, and I had gotten this NUTCRACKER strand free with my order. At that time they were having a special, $59 or more, and you get the strand free. So that gives you kind of a hint, I think, of what's going to be in here. So let's open this up. I will do the uncrinkling afterwards, and I always save these. I can use them for Christmas gift wraps or other gift wraps or tassels or something. We'll figure something out, right? Let me come back and I'll undo all this. Okay, everyone. So not including the design elements mix, which we'll go through separately. Here's what else was in the kit. This was separate. You do get a strand of check glass, green, 4mm green with gold, faceted rounds they're called. Now check glass rounds are never 100% round in my opinion. They look more like oval, but those are pretty and they go beautifully with this NUTCRACKER strand if you were able to get that. And then there's about 50 beads on here roughly. And then this one, 5mm light blue check glass faceted rounds. They're really sparkly. They look like they have an AB, little bit of an AB coating on them also. And they go really well with the green color. I guess you could use them all three together, but I like them with the green anyway. And there's about 25 on that. There's also about 25 on this one. These are 6mm red check glass faceted rounds. Now those do not look like they have an AB, but they're very sparkly. And maybe these don't either. It doesn't say AB, but there's some of them look like they have a coating on. I'm not sure. And then 5x3mm red check glass faceted rondelles. And there are about 60 of those on there. So those are the strands that you get. You do get, I love this. I don't know if they even have this anymore. I'm not sure on their website, because I think I went there to look because I was telling people, oh, I think they still carry champagne, and then I couldn't find it. So, but I really love this color. It's like a cross between a gold and a ivory almost. I think champagne. That's a good name for it actually. It's actually 19 strand rather than 49, but it's their extreme flex. Extreme abrasion resistance, which is nice, and it's 0.019 diameter, medium, all-purpose for glass, mineral, and metal beads. So there you go. I really like Softflex wires. And then we do get two tiara cast antique brass plated NUTCRACKER ornaments. They are double-sided, but I did notice that one of the sides has either the bangs or the eyes. My glasses aren't on, so I'm not sure. I took it to be their eyes, and then this is like the back of their head with no eyes on it. So there's a difference in the design on the back than the front. So just note that. Don't put them on, you know, front and back unless you want to. And then these are from Vintage ballerinas. They're also double-sided. These are oxidized brass. Tiara cast is brass, antique brass plated, usually pewter is what they're made out of. And these feel lighter, the oxidized brass, than the pewter ones do, the antique brass plated. These are also double-sided. Honestly, I don't have my glasses on, so I can't tell if there's a difference because they're smaller. The faces are smaller. Let's see if I can tell from I think this, no. Well, and plus there's one arm going this way in the front and then the opposite arm going in the back, or whichever way you want to say it. So they can be either way, I think. And then ballerina ballet shoe charms. Those are cute. Those are cute. They truly look like ballet shoe slippers, don't they? Shoe slippers. So those are the charms, and then of course we get about 20 2x2 millimeter gold-filled crimp tubes. And then it says on here gold-plated lobster claw clasp, but I happened to get 2. I don't know if that was a mistake, but because usually we only get 1. Yeah, they're a little bit stiff. Let me see if that one's better. This one is a little stiff. I'll have to work it a little bit. And then 4 ear wires with the ball on, and those are gold plated, I think. Yes, gold plated ear wires. So that's from Softflex, and then give me a minute and I'll come back and I'll have this open for you too. Okay everyone, here's what's in that Nutcracker mix, the Design Elements exclusive for Softflex for this Nutcracker kit. And you get a combination. You've got some tans in here, some reds, some sort of aqua teal color greens, which are a cross between this green and this blue. Really pretty. These darker green, I think these are acrylic maybe. Dark green drops, and they're drilled top to bottom, which is nice. But these barrel beads are absolutely gorgeous. They're like a teal color solid, and then they have like an AB finish on them. Beautiful. And they're flat on either end. 5 of these little, I don't know why only 5 instead of 6, but I got 5 of these little beads, and I don't think I dropped anything yet in the same color. And then these have, I don't know if they are freshwater pearls, but they look like freshwater pearls in this diamond shape. Gorgeous, like a satiny finish on them. Just beautiful. Love those. Love that color actually, and that finish is beautiful. Then we have these pale pinks, 2 crackle glass kind of beads in the pale pink. They may have a finish on also. And then here again we have 5, nope, 6 on this one. These are like 6 millimeter satin finish little round beads, and I think they're glass. They're a little cool to the touch, so I'm pretty sure they are. And then these adorable little tassels with the gold finding on them. Those are really really cute. I don't like huge tassels, but these are just beautiful, and they go really well with the ballet, like almost like a little tutu, right? Cute. Then we get into the reds. We have these beautiful faceted round crystals. I think they're round. Yes, they're not the rondelles. Then we have some melon beads, but these are two-tone. They're like clear on one side and red on the other. Yeah, all of them. So those are really pretty too, and different. I haven't seen melon beads in two-tone like that. I love melon beads. And also 2 little teardrops, faceted. Then we have 2 boho beads in the tan with some pearl on them and gold. And then some daisy spacers. I won't pick up, their daisy spacers. And then these saucer beads. These are metal, gold saucer beads. And it's not going to. Forgive my nails too. I've been doing other crafting. You can see I still have, even despite washing several times, actually I think that's a bruise. Yeah, I don't know where I got that from. Oh well. And then these are nice also, these corrugated looking round gold beads. And some little tiny barrel beads with a lot of sparkle on them. They look faceted. Actually, 2 of them look like they have sparkle and 2 look like faceted. Maybe they're half and half. It's hard to tell. I don't have my glasses on, like I said. Then we have 2 faceted rounds. 2 smooth round, like a satin finish. Glass pearls, I guess. These are actually bicones in like a tan clear kind of look to them. And then lastly, these tan, let's see what they are. They're rounds. They're rounds. Really pretty. Love this kit. This is a beautiful, beautiful kit. I love everything about it. Can't wait to play with it, and I'll come back hopefully in early December with some final pieces for you. And I don't know, maybe I'll be up to a tutorial. We'll see. All right, everyone, have a great week, great month. Happy holidays. Bye for now.